Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about while loops. Now, the way a while loop works is, while loops are actually iteration. Anything that is a loop is iteration, meaning it repeats the same piece of code again and again until a condition is met. Now we can say while condition code, and this will say that while the condition, while this condition is happening, we're going to run this code until this condition is not happening. So let's put that into perspective. Let's say number equals while num is bigger than. This one's quite easy to understand. Obviously, we talked about r equals to, not equal to, bigger than, all of that last episode. So make sure to go watch that if you've not already seen it. While num is bigger than, let's say bigger than 2. Say let's print the number. And then we're going to say num equals int, because we want it to be an integer. Input, enter a number. Now, obviously, what this is actually doing is we've got the number is bigger. So the while loop is saying if the number's bigger than 2. The number is bigger than 2 is 4. So until the number is not bigger than 2, it's going to repeat this code. Now let's run it and see what happens. So I'm going to save it, hit run module 4, enter a number 5, 6, 7, 5, 4, and you can see the code still runs. Oh, I have not entered a number there. The code still runs on and on and on. Okay, I am still... Yeah, no, as I say, as you can see, that the code still runs on and on and on until we enter a number that's not bigger than, and then the code will stop running. And that's basically all you need to know for while loops. There's not really much to them. I think they're actually easier than... I actually think they are easier than if statements, or you can get more complex while loops, which we're not going to go into, especially when they become nested. But for now, I think this is quite a simple concept. It might take a bit of time to remember it, but it won't take too long to stick. So I hope you enjoyed, everyone. Make sure to leave a comment if you need any help. Make sure to leave a like as well if you enjoyed. Just maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already, because over 80% of you lot that watch our videos are not actually subscribed. And yeah, so thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to join our Discord server as well if you need any more help other than the YouTube comments. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.